Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Becca here, the Flawed Mom. This video may be flawed, but it is well worth sticking around for because this is one very simple and cute DIY. So stick around, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will get better at the video editing. So I have this flower pot container, which has this wonderful little plastic insert here to catch the water. Well, as you
Next,
can tell,
I taped off a
have
section. I'll be
glue
painting the bottom
and
white,
and
and I'll be using some baling twine to braid into a rope that I will put above the white as a decorative strip. I think I'm going to add some dark brown along the top of the white strip and at the very base and probably around the very top. Here I'm measuring down because basket weaves are not straight across, so I was not able to just follow a line and go around. I chose a burnt sienna for the bottom decorative strip, and I'll be painting about 2 or 3 strips above that as well. Get a good little strip there, and then I'll put that decorative tie in. Also, I'll be painting the very top of the basket as well, give it some dark accent. Now I like the burnt sienna really dark. You can do it light and it will kind of give it a stain. I wanted mine more of a solid color. And again, as you can see, I went ahead and painted the top ring and then I did the loops around it white. And there's the finished product. I think it looks much better as an umbrella holder than a flower holder.